Hello, good people. It's Mr. James. Thank you for coming to this page or this link. It's made to our YouTube channel. And today starts off with the beginning journeys, okay? All the tools you see right next to me on the screen are what are known as intangible projects, which tools that can be downloaded anywhere around the world. But the goal is, my thing is, what about the knowledge inside of these tools? Okay? So I'm beginning today. Is the easy to each one of them. I'm going to start with building an email list from scratch. If you don't know what that is, you will know. Okay, because it starts from the beginning all the way through. And there's millions of books on this line, libraries, and so much stuff out there, good people. But when you start applying knowledge, that's when things change. So, in this bio, come over to the site. You can download all those tools if you want them, or you can just get the videos and learn what I'm doing. Here we go, good people. Let's make this happen today.